Hey guys, we're down at R-Tech Welding down in Gloucester today. I wanted to thank these guys so much for the support through 2018 and hopefully what we're going to go through in the 2019 season. But we're going to take you through today a bit more about their facilities, what they get up to, but also we're going to brush up on our welding skills in their demonstration lab. Let's go. So this is Ben, R-Tech Welding. He's going to be the gent that's going to be taking us through the demonstrations and stuff like that later on, but first he's going to take us around the shop and see what it's all about.
A bit too messy. This is Simon.
Hi there.
One of the engineers. So yeah, this is where most repairs happen.
Okay. Right.
And then we've got our welding bays. This is where it's an assembly and sort of get all the testing done.
Right, okay. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. That's where the big welding.
Okay.
There's a lot of boxes and rubbish everywhere.
Oh right, I see. Yeah, God, there's stuff everywhere.
Yeah. We have outgrown the premises really.
Yeah, it's amazing how much stuff you actually have.
Yeah. Crammed it all in.
Right, you can come straight through. Hey, that's a good lad.
Brand new machines, yeah, all come through sort of this area really. So yeah, this is the workshop.
There's going to be a fair few people getting their late Christmas presents coming.
I mean, that big one is that's we sell a silly amount of those. Yeah, it's literally 4 or 5 a day on average, at least. You know, a good day is 15 of those. So that machine alone. But yeah, we shift a lot of boxes.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. We've run out.
That's great.
So again, this is more storage really, more than anything. But yeah, training there and then upstairs is where we're doing our team stuff.
Nice.
So TIG 210 you've got?
I've got 210, yeah. So we're up here in the R-Tech training and demonstration area. The boys are over there having to go with the TIG sets. As you can see, the guys here have a full range of pretty much everything they've got, and get Ben to take us through exactly what we can do. Did you get an opportunity to do much with it really?
Yeah, so it is a bit similar to that. Just for learning, really. Yeah, so they were the underneath what you just done, you would just, test. If you're doing like 1 mil alley, that is very so yeah, all the way.
So optional extra you can get on most R-Tech welding sets is the built-in kit cap function. If you have shaky hands, this is definitely a way out of that. So Ben, thank you very much for your time today. It's been a pleasure. I love the time that you've taken to show us around the facility, but also to hone our skills upstairs as well. So yeah, look forward to trying them out in real life, and hopefully you'll see some top-notch stuff coming on the channel later.
Nice one.